couple of you asked to have a simple version of Dropship Quicker that just handles the addresses. So what I did was I created Simple Copy. It couldn't be any easier. It creates 10 copy slots and 10 paste buttons. In the settings screen, the only settings that affect Simple Copy are the telephone number selection. You either have it for your default or for the customer supplied, and then the speed selection. Now if you're running a laptop with that's on battery power that shuts down processors to conserve battery, you might want to slow this down a little bit so that your laptop can keep up with the programming in Dropship Quicker. This actually just puts little tiny delays in between the commands so that slower machines can keep up. Anyway, my laptop's on power cord, so it's running fast. Show you how Simple Copy works. Pops up this little window over here. Gives you 10 copy slots and 10 paste buttons. So I'm just going to use 5 of them for this demonstration. I'm control clicking on the sales records to bring up each sales record into a different tab. That way I don't have to wait for pages to load. You just click in the buyer name field and hit copy. And that's it. And go to the next tab. Copy 2. Next tab, copy 3. Copy 4. And copy 5. So now those 5 addresses are all held in memory. To go and add them to your Amazon account, I created a quick link here. It'll pop open your Amazon account. If you're not logged in, it'll prompt you to do that. We actually need 5 of those tabs, so I'll add 4 more. And then I'm literally just going to hit click in the field and hit paste 1. And it drops in your information, save and continue. Click in the field, paste 2. Paste 3. Paste 4. And paste 5. Alright, if you don't want to do all the clicking, I also added a paste all to Amazon button, so any sales records that you copy in will be automatically transferred to Amazon. Some of you have a little bit of trouble with the machines not reacting the way they're supposed to, so that's why we have the manual ability to do that, and actually you can kind of do that faster than the automated version, but the automated is one click. It loads the tab and then drops in the address information. You can do that for 10 addresses, walk away, get a cup of coffee, grab a beer, whatever, and when you come back they'll all be added in. Now after you've added so many addresses, you might want to delete addresses. Dropship Quicker does have a feature to do that. I'll show you that next. So we've added those 5 addresses, and you can go through and confirm that they're accepted by Amazon and make any changes you need. Deleting addresses is a pain. Sitting there clicking these buttons, so Dropship Quicker created the ability to delete addresses automatically. Just enter the number of addresses you want to delete, and it'll navigate the website and click the buttons for you. I've had success doing up to 150, 200 at a time. Just set it and forget it, and it's done. Alright, one more feature I wanted to show you while I have you here is under there we go. Edit preset text. Edit preset text gives you the ability to paste up to 20 different preset messages. Now you can use these as a whole message, you can use them as different parts that you end up piecing together to create messages, but correspondence with buyers asking the same questions like where's my item, when's it going to ship, what's your shipping policies, you know, all of that stuff. If you're keeping those in Word files and copy pasting them, don't. Use preset text in Dropship Quicker. It's a lot faster. You can set up all 20 files here. Control-Alt-1 will get you this text, and I'll show you how that works. I'll bring up a window to demonstrate it. So Control-Alt-1, and it pops in that information. Now, let's make a change. My name's Jeff, and so we've changed that, and now Control-Alt-1 says Jeff. So we can make the changes to these files. And once you click off of it, it saves it, and so we can just input Control-Alt-1, Control-Alt-2, Control-Alt-3, and so forth. You can make these as long as you want. They're just text files. They take almost no time to pop into any field on a web page. Saves you a bunch of time. And that's it.